My friends, guess who? Mrs. Short here. I have a book today that I am dedicating to a friend of mine whose daughter, and her name is Quinn. So, Quinn, this is for you. Her mom told me that this book, Little Excavator, an excavator is a machine that you may have seen that digs dirt into the ground. And this is Quinn's favorite book, and she loves to hear it and she loves to read it with her mom. So, guess where I went? I went to the library and I took it out because I didn't have this book. The author is Anna Dewdney. And the dedication I noticed when I was reading the book comes at the very end. I don't want to show you the picture, but the dedication at the end says, "For little diggers everywhere." And I'm dedicating the reading of this book to Quinn. I love that name, Quinn. It's such a beautiful name. Okay, ready to put my glasses on. You're probably going to hear me sound different in this story. I'm going to read it with a lot of expression, and I will tell you there's some rhyming words in it, so Mrs. Short's really going to get into this book. Sometimes I like being silly reading books, but it's boring if you just use the same voice all the time, right? Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Do you know why, as I said the words fall, my voice got really loud with the last fall? Because it's written bigger. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. Oh no. Grrrm goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Look at him. He tried. He just couldn't do it. Droom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Rump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday, when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. he gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. What do you think? Quinn, I bet you know what's happening next, right? But can it be? Little E fits just right. See, it was able to go over the bridge, carry that little tree. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Say it with me, boys and girls. Go, go, go! Oh, Quinn, I'm so glad your mom told me about this book. I hope it brings back good memories. You probably still read it. It really is an adorable little book that teaches a lesson. You're never too small, right? You can always do something. Oh my goodness, I loved it. Quinn, I hope you liked it too. Friends, I hope you all liked it. So, always remember, it doesn't matter if you're smaller than your friends or taller, there's other friends smaller. We all work together because we're all friends. Have a great day. See you next time, boys and girls.